In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make good-looking emails with Brevo. To get started, sign into your Brevo account and look at the main navigation. You are going to build a reusable email template, which saves time and keeps your branding consistent across campaigns. First, go to Marketing. From there, open Campaigns and then choose Templates. This Templates area is where Brevo stores the layouts you can reuse again and again, whether you are sending a newsletter, a promotional email, or an announcement. Keeping your templates organized here also makes it easier to maintain a consistent look as your list grows. Next, in the top right, click Create a new template. When Brevo asks what type you want to create, choose Email Template. This opens the Template Builder, which is designed for creating polished emails without needing to code. If you are aiming for a clean, professional result, starting with a template is usually faster than building from scratch. Now select Template Gallery and pick a pre-designed layout. Choose one that matches your goal. For example, a simple layout with a clear header works well for announcements, while a layout with sections can be better for newsletters. Focus on structure first, because it is easier to adjust colors and images later than to rebuild a layout. Once the template loads, you can begin customizing it using the drag-and-drop editor. Drag and drop blocks to add your images and text. Replace placeholder content with your own copy, and keep your text easy to scan by using short paragraphs. When you add images, use clear, high-quality visuals and keep spacing consistent so the email feels balanced. Also, make sure your most important message appears near the top, since many readers will only glance at the first part of the email. When you are happy with the design, click Save and Quit. This saves your template to your Brevo library so you can use it in future campaigns without recreating it each time. And that is all there is to it.